things have just gotten very intense right now. We had a massive X-class solar flare that just erupted from the sun right now, and of course, we have a Type 2 radio blackout. I had a pretty big energy update that we need to get into. I'm going to be talking about the Schumann resonance. We're going to get into a lot of things in this video, so I hope you guys are ready. Let me know how's everyone doing. Let's jump right into this. So, we got, of course, Schumann resonance right now. Taking a look at everything, March 30, not much. Integration energy, we had a little bit of energy on the 29th, but overall, nothing intense at all. Here's where things get pretty wild. Now, density, interplanetary magnetic field, solar wind, why isn't this moving? KP index, everything's pretty normal still. But when we go to our solar flare, this is our 24 and 72 hour max. This is a X 1.5. Now, C classes, for those who don't know, C classes are kind of decent. They're not that strong at all. They're definitely not the weakest. M's are pretty strong, and X's are very intense. So obviously a 1.5 here. It didn't seem to last too long. It lasted how long actually? From 308 to yeah, about 30 minutes or so. So not bad. Duration. So that was definitely a pretty big X class. I don't know which sunspot region erupted from because it just happened as I'm recording. Of course, we do have a Type 2 radio blackout, and it is actually, things are looking very intense right now. This isn't affecting America, but it is definitely affecting places like Russia, I think, and pretty much those areas right there. This is effective, obviously, today, Monday, March 30th. So let me know how you guys are doing right now. A lot of energy coming in. If you're in America, this is like literally midnight. So like midnight in New York time. Can we not scroll on this website? Like, what is going on? So here it is. Huge, huge eruption. It was a huge CME. It looked like it was, of course, you can't load. Um, okay, I think I know which sunspot region that is. We cannot scroll here. What is going on? I'm trying to scroll. It just won't go. It was 4405. This is one of the most active sunspot regions currently in the sun. Ironically, you know, sunspot numbers have dipped down, but things have still popped up. This is a very active region. The region it came from was this one right here. It actually just grew in size from our last 2 hours, even though it's much lower than usual. It had a 1% chance, apparently, for an X class. I feel like it should have been higher. It has 8 sunspots, so yeah, we definitely got an X class from this region. Let's see, I guess it doesn't have it here, but this has to be the region. Okay, I'll take a look at coronal holes right now. We've really covered things. Our interplanetary magnetic field is also slightly south right now. So things are definitely escalating in the early morning hours. So GOES 19, I don't even know if GOES 19 will actually get it. It might have gotten it. I don't know. Regardless, of course, this image shows you, yep, that was that sunspot region 4405. Massive solar flare that just erupted. This image will definitely show you if there was a CME. I don't know if it's too early, but I don't know if there was a CME from it. But of course, over here, there was a filament, so looks like potentially there was. This image, yeah, there might have been an eruption. There may have been an eruption. It's still hard to tell. But there might have been an eruption right there. I don't know if that will be Earth directed. However, of course, pretty massive if you ask me. Let me know how is everyone doing and feeling. I'm assuming during these times people really feel it. People will definitely be feeling strange. My house feels so weird right now and strange. Things are very weird. Haven't experienced this in a long, long time. So let me know how you guys are feeling. Are you feeling the teeth? Are you feeling in the body? Are you tired? What's going on with you? I am going through weird stuff right now. I don't know what to explain. But yes, we do have a massive coronal hole that's probably going to be facing us by the time you're watching this video, or probably after. It'll probably face us. Probably be a trans-equatorial, maybe trans-equatorial southern. An X 1.5. Yep, it was from 4405. We were right, guys. 3:39 UTC time it happened, and 1,872 kilometers per second. That's insane. Um, there was a Type 2 radio emission, radio blackout. So yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Strongest one of the year, or strongest one in history. Our strongest was in 2022. Was at X 1.38. This one's 1.5. So strongest in history. Things will definitely be picking up though. That's for sure. Um, Hard to say if it was directed towards us. There's a strong chance. There's a chance that this could come from. This could impact us. I think it was probably this one. Wait, no. Wow, there hasn't been anything here. That's weird. Since March 28th, it's March 30 right now. That's pretty weird. So yeah, overall, of course, um, yeah, things are definitely intense right now. Let me know how you guys are doing right now. Let me know how you guys are feeling. Of course, we're gonna be live streaming and whatnot. Um, I'm assuming that Sunspot region, maybe it was just a lucky X class. I don't know, or like you know, a very 1% chance. However, things could change. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. Hope you guys are all doing good. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the live streams. Make sure you guys are tuning in. Okay, I don't see anybody there. Like and subscribe.